We're in Windows 10. I'm going to show you how to configure your sound device. So first thing we want to do is go to our control panel, and you can get there by right-clicking on your Start button and then choosing Control Panel. From here, we're going to make sure we choose the large icons or small icons. Don't go by category, just so we can see all the different options. And we're going to go to the Sound option. So let's click on Sound. And from here, we'll see all the different devices that can produce sound. So we see our default Logitech wireless headset is there. And if you want, you can right-click on it. And if it's not your default device, then what you do is you change it. So if we see, for instance, that we want to change to this particular, the Realtek speakers, we can right-click on there and choose Set as Default Device. And if we change our mind on that, we can go back to the other device and choose Set as Default Device. All right, so once we've found our playback default device, we can right-click and choose Test. And when we choose Test, you'll see the little sound bar go up, and you should hear the sound come out of that particular device. You can also go into Configure Speakers, and from here, you sort of go through a little walkthrough wizard. One, of course, is the same test that we just did, and click Next. You can select full range speakers. You can check or uncheck depending on how many speakers that you have or the type of speakers that you have. And you can click Next, and then once you're done, configuration complete. And we'll just test to make sure that still sounds okay. Very good. You can also disable the device if you no longer need it. You can show any disabled devices if you disabled devices in the past. And you can also show any disconnected devices you might have had connected at one time. Now, if you don't want to see those anymore, just uncheck that box. If you go to the properties, you get a little bit more information. First thing is, make sure use this device is enabled, is turned on. If it has disabled, it will not work. You can go to the levels, and you can change those up and down. You've got enhancements as well. Now this is going to be different for every different type of speaker, so the best thing to do is to just check these boxes one at a time and click on Preview so you can hear what it sounds like. You also have the advanced option, and this actually changes the quality of the speaker. Now, some speakers don't have any more or less quality, so you're going to see that grayed out. But if it does have the option, just go ahead and hit the drop down, choose the different ones, and click the Test button. All right. You also want to give exclusive mode application priority, so it always uses this particular set of speakers. Now, if we go back to the General tab, we can click on Properties. And from Properties, this gives us information about the driver, what memory it's using, different things like that. And then you can also go back to the driver. You can click on Driver Details, and you can see the different drivers at that point. And if you're logged in as the administrator, you'll also have the option to update the driver as well. So that is configuring your sound device, your speakers in Microsoft Windows 10.